Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on NVA Live game. So let's get started. First, open the NVA Live game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, you can see the language option. Tap on the edit option right beside it. Now you will see a list of available languages. Choose the language that you prefer. Tap on the select button next to your chosen language. Finally, tap on the continue button to save the changes. And this is how you can change language on NVA Live game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.